USA SPEC 2019 Z06 Corvette BSM200 blind spot detection system, bar none, the best, most accurate system in the market. The only one you should feel comfortable enough putting in vehicles like this. So here we are. Remember that this system doesn't activate until the vehicle is traveling at above 19 miles per hour. So here we have the LED on the left. It can barely be visible, but there it is. It's lighting up as the vehicles are coming up from behind. And so again, I want you to pay attention to this feature where it's not going to only detect the vehicles that are coming up from behind, it's going to also detect the vehicles that you're passing up. Just to give you an idea here, I'm going to turn on the turn signal so that when I pass up the cars, without having to look at the LED, you're going to hear the buzzer. So this system is going to detect the vehicles even when they're pacing with you. Now, another thing you want to keep in mind is that every system in the market will only beep once or twice. Not the BSM200. The BSM200 is going to beep for as long as the vehicle is in the blind spot and the turn signal is activated. That is a feature exclusively for the BSM200. So remember, for as long as the vehicle is in the blind spot, the beeper will be going off. You will hear that beep for as long as the vehicle is in the blind spot, not only once or twice. And as soon as the vehicle exits the blind spot, the system stops. The minute the vehicle enters the blind spot again, as long as the turn signal is on, it's gonna beep and it's gonna flash. I'll give you an example here shortly. As soon as that silver Toyota Prius gets into our blind spot, give me 1 sec. And there it goes. Again, make sure that you're familiar with how it's supposed to work so that you know what to look for once you're driving a system like this.